Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials now. Plug the USB into a known good port, swap the cable, and confirm the device gets power and a click or LED. Open Device Manager to see if the device appears with errors. Right-click and scan for hardware changes if it doesn't. Then open Disk Management to see whether the drive exists without a letter. Assign one if needed. Once done, make sure you note any error codes to guide the next steps. Now focus on drivers and system services. Update the USB controller and storage drivers through Device Manager or install the manufacturer's driver. Roll back if a recent update broke detection. Verify plug-and-play and shell hardware detection services are running. Restart them if necessary. If drivers seem fine, boot into safe mode or do a clean boot to rule out third-party interference such as antivirus or backup software. Finish by repairing or resetting the drive if it's detected but inaccessible. Run chkdsk on the volume to fix file system errors. Use diskpart to clean and create partitions only when you accept data loss. If the device still won't show, test it on another computer to isolate hardware failure. Make sure to back up any recoverable data before reformatting. If multiple systems fail to detect it, consider updating the host BIOS or device firmware, and if necessary, replace the hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.